How's the day going? I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for clicking on this reaction. My name is Edgar Rock DJ. I'm a Kenyan rock DJ, professional rock DJ in Kenya for about 10 years. Played in clubs, concerts, TV, and radio. And if you're watching from Ukraine, I appreciate your presence here. Thank you so much for being here. I wanted to do a reaction video to Ziferblat, Bird of Prey, Eurovision Ukraine Vidbir 2025. This is like the music video. I've heard the audio, but I have not watched the video, so I wanted to see this. This is a reaction video, so I'll probably pause from time to time just to do some commentary. Let's go. Give me a second. I was genuinely hoping for English subtitles, but it's fine.
Шукаю, гори зверну. And I called you blood, but I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who cares of me, my little bird of prey.
That section is orgasmic. That bird of prey, and then the female vocals, fantastic. Just a moment. I'm noticing so many like silhouette shots in this video. Yeah, I'm noticing many shots like this one. Silhouette type shots. I have never forgotten that. When I heard the audio, I remember that part and I was like, that was fire. That was fire. This female vocals, where are they coming from? Is it someone in collaboration with Ziferblat? Are they just vocals just in the mix from some sort of sample? I'm so curious. If I knew Ziferblat, maybe I would have an idea, but I'm very new to this artist. So cool track. If you see me remembering that part where they skip a bit, it's because I liked the track so much. I liked it so much when I heard the audio alone. Obviously, it's a rock song, so obviously I would gravitate to it. Beautiful stuff. Okay. If you enjoyed my reaction, make sure to smash like and subscribe. I'm even going to subscribe to Ziferblat and give this a like because it's a good song. It's a good song. I wish there were English subs so that the Ukrainian part, I'm assuming that's Ukrainian. Yeah. Africans cannot tell you if you speak Ukrainian. We can't. So I'm just assuming. Yeah, so those sections that I assume are Ukrainian, I wish they were like English subtitles. If you want to comment below and just write them down what they mean, I'd really like to know. And then on the screen, I'll leave other reactions I've done for Eurovision 2025. My original reaction to this song, the audio version, I had not seen this video, but the audio I had listened to it. So if you want to see it, I'll leave it on screen and then I'll see you in the next one.